Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our bike ride along the Etobicoke Creek Trail in Brampton, Ontario. Today we're starting at Newhouse Park and heading south to Wexford Park. This trail follows the Etobicoke Creek, which begins in Caledon and flows all the way to Lake Ontario. The name Etobicoke comes from the Ojibwe word Wado Bay Kong, meaning the place where the black alders grow. For centuries, Indigenous peoples used this creek as a source of fresh water and fish. Later, early settlers built villages along its banks. The creek's gentle flow made it useful for small industries, even though it wasn't strong enough to power large mills. As we ride, you'll notice how the trail winds through parks and wooded areas. The path is mostly flat and smooth, making it great for cyclists of all levels. There are several bridges and underpasses that help us avoid busy roads so we can enjoy a quiet ride close to nature. The trail connects several parks, offering spots to rest or have a picnic. It's a peaceful escape within the city. Thanks for joining us on this ride from Newhouse Park to Wexford Park along the Etobicoke Creek Trail in Brampton, Ontario. Thanks for watching!